Take your squeezer, put it in your vise. I recommend soft jaws. Keeps you from tearing your head up, but you don't have to have them. Put it in your vise firmly. Take a punch. Line it up with these 3 pins. They're roll pins right here. These top 3. Those are the ones that connect the head to the handle. Doesn't matter what sequence you do them in. Tap them out slowly. I recommend a brass hammer. And you don't have to pound them out all the way. I would just pound them just through the other side, see, because they'll drop them like this. You don't need to do that. Then you have to find them on the floor. So I'll just tap this one out about halfway. You can see it on the other side. About that much. Do the last one. About the same distance. And you can rock your handle, see if it'll come off. Just need to go through a little more. A little more. Like this. Take this head out of the vise. Put this head in the vise. Make sure your ram's orientated over the hole in the squeezer head. Try to stick it on any other way. It should only go on one way. Drop your squeezer head down. Look, make sure your holes line up. Take your brass hammer. Start one of your pins. Make sure it's good and free, not bound up. See on this side? That's why I use the brass hammer, so you don't smash the ends of your roll pins. But you don't have to have a brass hammer. You could do it with a regular hammer. Just be gentle. Tap them until they're flush. Squeeze your head out. Make sure the ram works up and down. You didn't mess anything up after you put it on. That's it. I'd test it. Make sure that your dies still align after you switch your head, in case there was an issue with the squeezer head. This one's good.